heads might panic, Carrie holds it together. She knows that if the mask is damaged, they'll have to start over.
Ready? Here we go.
Finally, freedom. But just as they feared, it comes at a price.
We got some eyelashes.
Look at how cool is it?
That is terrifying.
We have a silicone mold of your head. Yay! Is it worth it?
I think I might have to ice my face.
And that simple wish gives rise to a brilliant idea. The plan as it stands needs 3 test heads. 1 unfrozen control, 1 dunked for 5 seconds, just like the movie, and a spare. But why not smash another head made only from ice? This should set the ultimate shatter standard.
You know, all the years of special effects and mold making, this is probably my first ice sculpture.
Making an ice head is as simple as filling the mold with water and sticking it in the freezer.
Alright, so once that freezes, we'll have a Carrie ice head to smash.
Now for the challenge of building 3 more lifelike Carrie heads, starting with brains made from dental algae. More brains.
So the consistency we're making right now with
No fucking turn signal, no brake lights. Huh. Oh, I had the air horn. Damn it. Should get one of those.